In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to move a space between workspaces in Clickup so you can reuse your setup anywhere. Start by opening your Clickup workspace and make sure you're inside the workspace that currently contains the space you want to move. This is important because you'll be turning that space into a reusable template. Now, look over to your sidebar and find the space you want to transfer. Take a moment to double check it's the correct one since everything inside it will be included. Next, click the three dots next to the space name to open the options menu. From here, select Template. This is where Clickup allows you to convert your space into something portable. Now choose Save as Template. Clickup will take a moment to package everything inside your space, including lists, tasks, and views. Once prompted, give your template a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. Here's the key step. Make sure to enable public sharing. This allows you to generate a link that can be used in another workspace or even another account. After that, click Save Template. Once it's done, open the template and copy the shareable link. Now switch to the workspace where you want to move the space. Paste the link into your browser, open it, and select Use Template. Clickup will then recreate that entire space inside your new workspace with the same structure and setup. And that's it. You've successfully moved a Clickup space to another workspace using templates, no manual copying needed.